For those who know me, food is an important aspect of my life. The consumption of food, preparation of it, a little bit less. So it's no coincidence that I'm a volunteer at an NGO that collects food that's close to expiration date and redistributes it amongst people in their need. And it's also why 12, 13 years ago, I started inviting my friends over for a meal. Instead of going out to a restaurant, I would invite them over for a meal, cook for them or cook together with them, and enjoy the meal. Yes, it helped that I had a good dining table, a large dining table with comfortable chairs. And so we would be in an intimate setting and we would be able to talk, have real conversations in depth about whatever would come up. This is important. Because if you go out in a restaurant, generally you don't feel comfortable talking about certain things that you may want to talk about, get a different perspective or get it off your chest or get some advice or just feel to share it out of joy and passion. And sharing a meal has been something that humans have been doing for a long time. You see it in many cultures that sharing a meal with others is very important and people dedicate time, energy, and even money to it. But it doesn't have to cost much because it's not about what you eat, but the energy that you are in when you are together, when you eat. When you're in a good energy, the food is nourishing you. When you're in a bad energy, the food is poisoning you. There's the experiment with water that has been done. You can research it. And the same applies to food. So choose a friend, invite him or her, and enjoy a meal together. At your place or at their place. Doesn't matter. But keep it intimate and you'll see how much it will nourish you. And I remember my birthday of 2014. Yes, 2014. The most important thing I remember from that birthday was the dinner I had. I had my best friends at the dinner table. Yes, actually it's the table that I'm using now. 7 of them were there. It was a very simple meal. Made some salads. That's what I remember of it regarding the food. But I remember sitting at one extremity of the table and the other sitting on the side with my friend and mentor on the opposite side of the table. So at the moment, just sitting back and looking. Everyone was talking, laughing, sharing the food, and it's just amazing. I don't have a picture of that day because I didn't even think of grabbing my phone. And I don't have to because it's in here. And I can still feel that beautiful energy. Like, subscribe, and share.